Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back by a brand new video. Today we are going to make a beat in the style of BLADEE and Echo 2K. The Flag is Raised. The Flag is Raised is produced by whitearmor. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. To start this one off, I will set the BPM to 138 and let's grab a piano to start writing our chord progression. I do feel a little inspired today. I will try and make something of my own. For the people that do want to know, the original is an A flat major, so we as well will stay in a major scale. So let's get it. I wrote my chord progression in the F sharp major scale. So using these chords, we will write our melody. We're just gonna let these chords arpeggiate a little bit. I will just grab the top notes and shift them a little to the right. And I will grab the thirds and put them one octave up and shift them to the first beat. And I even want to write another melody on top of this, because these are still a little bit our chord progression, and now we need something that will lead our beat. I will grab the top melody we made, and for the sound I would just head into Omnisphere. I would just head into the hardware library and choose one of these. I think I will go for this Juno Nice and Warm synth. I will send this synth to the mixer and I will already take away some of the unnecessary lows, and I will add some reverb onto it and already create a reverb bus. You do that by clicking down here. So this dry signal will also be sent to this empty track, and on here I will add a reverb. I will go for round. Make sure when you create a reverb bus that the mix is at 100%, and I will give it a lot of modulation, maybe put it at 80%. So I will clone this Omnisphere and we're gonna add some sort of synth for the background. Yeah, maybe this dark and unstable square patch. We're just gonna go into the chords we made and grab the bottom notes. Let's paste them onto this patch. And to make it a little different, I will bring these two one octave down and I will sustain it right here. Also take it one octave down. I will add one more sound, and that are going to be some sort of bells. So for that I will head into Omnisphere one more time. I will just head into the bells and vibes. I think I will go for this Christmas breeze bell. For this pattern we're just gonna head into the chords we made, copy that and let's paste that onto this patch. So I think it's time for our drums. So I did end up using a shaker loop from Cymatics. I just chopped it up into small pieces to kind of help the bounce of the beat I was going for. So right now I think it's time for our 808. I will go with this one. It's just a variation of the Spins 808. For the 808 pattern, I will just follow the root notes of our chord progression. So I will just copy the bottom notes and paste them onto the 808. And for the rhythm, I will just do something like this. Just have these two hits. Let's put that underneath our beat. And something that I noticed when you listen to the original is that whitearmor stacked his 808s. I would just do that with mine as well. I would just copy these, put them one octave up, and I will make them a little quieter, otherwise they will become too loud. Which, if you listen carefully to the original, you can hear that he did that. I would not recommend people do this, but yo, that guy is crazy, man. And to finish the 808 off, I will sidechain the kick to it. To do that, you need to select your kick and then right click on your 808 channel down here and then sidechain to this track. And then on the 808 track, I will put this RMSC plugin. They updated the interface. Only right here is that we need to turn it on and then select our kick as an input source. And then now every time our kick plays, this plugin will cut out frequencies of the 808 that are clashing with our kick. And of course, to finish this one off, I will add a clipper to it, and maybe to try a different key, I will add the sound shifter to it. It's always nice to try a different key. So I guess this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I did well. I tried something original. Let me know in the comments down below how I did. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you could leave a like, maybe subscribe. That is up to you. If you want the FLP, I will leave a link for it in the description down below. Other than that, it's been Thomas, man. Peace out.